Hi Divas. Today I have something special to show you. Now you might be wondering why I have my assortment of fancy pens, diamond painting pens, here and this strange styrofoam box. Let me show you. I got a shipment in from NYXYnotions, and I really like she packages them up with all kinds of fancy stickers on the lid and all kinds of fancy stickers on the paper. I think it's a clever use of stickers, don't you? Lots of thank yous. Seriously, the best smelling mail ever. Ready for my close-up, it says. So, warning, opening this package will result in extreme joy. Thanks, USPS, I'd be lost without you. Happy mail has arrived. I love it. Great sense of humor. Oh, very much fun. Okay, so this is from NYXYnotions, and she has a shop on Etsy. NYXY spelled N-Y-X-S, Notions. And let me pull you out just a little bit so you can see what kind of fancy stuff is in this box. Alright, so I'm going to move the pens aside, and I'm going to first show you some of the goodies that I could not resist on her site. She has the funnest little containers of putty, and well, it says it's the nicest smelling stuff around when I opened the box, probably because of the 3D printed material. It didn't quite smell like I anticipated it. Actually, the odor was not as pleasant as I would have loved it to be. But she has the neatest little containers for her putty. And I'm going to bring it in a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. Aren't they cute? You open up these little organza bags here. I love the color yellow. And I think she matched it to the color that I purchased the other thing in. This is so cute. This is called, let me see, that's fun. I get a little sticker with it. And it is a putty. It's called Have a Beautiful Day. And it comes with one of those little smileys on top. They're rainbow smileys. Of course, for a hippie like me, you'd absolutely, ooh. It's more like a mud than a putty. Nice. Oh my gosh, that smells good. Let me see what the little note in here says. Warning, if sensitive to perfumes, do not open or use. I'm not that sensitive, so I'm happy about it. Do not eat, it's toxic. Keep away from kids and pets, toxic. Do not leave in direct sunlight. It will melt, get gooey, stringy if hot. If you are getting residue on your drills, you are using too much putty. Take some out. If your drills are not sticking in your placer, you are not using enough putty. Add more. If you live in a hot, humid area, it is suggested to keep product in a dry, cool place. Example, refrigerator, crisper. Interesting. Okay. Neat. That smells wonderful. And I'm going to have a little experiment coming up in another YouTube video about the different waxes and putties and glue dots and things like that. And I got a banana on this one, so you can imagine that I'm collecting. Look at the cute top to this banana. And banana cream pie is what she calls this one. Now let me smell this one. Ooh. Oh, banana. Go bananas. Go, go bananas. That Girl Scout song. It's so cool. So cool, so cool. Well, I thank you for that. There's a couple more things I want to show you from here. Let me see. Okay. The customer, let's see. On the receipt, she gives out a check it out. Diamond painting trays, 3D printed live on Twitch TV. Interesting. She has a live on Twitch. She has the NYXYnotions store, Instagram, and Facebook. She believes in fair trade, honest business practice. #1 priority is giving 110% customer satisfaction guaranteed. 24/7 customer service available. Free shipping for orders of $35 or more. Very nice. Very nice. I ordered these on March 17th and they came April 14th. Well, at least they were mailed then. I got it last week in the mail. So, and I'm filming this on, I don't know when you'll get to see it, but I'm filming this on May 2nd. So, it's less than 6 weeks before I get to the main event. Let's see, I also ordered 2 rolls of rainbow washi tape. One is the stripe and one's a vertical, one's a horizontal stripe. Very nice. I like washi tape. These are nice thick rolls too. Very nicely done. Yep, very nicely done. Okay. And you get a goodie bag when you order from her. Another favorite color is orange, so this is fun. Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay, it says free gift. Thank you. Hope you'll visit the little shop again soon. The best compliment I can receive is a review in my small shop. A free gift just for you. You are appreciated more than you know. And some washi tape. And a card. You can read her information right there. And the card says, just gives her social media information, her email address, and 10% off of the next order. Ooh, cozy chamomile. I don't drink wacky teas, but I love this tea thing. The tea package. What is this? Oh my goodness. All these fun little things in here. Holy cow. Cute little gift pack. Diamond painting with sparklers. I have a sample. It's a sample sparkler, and you get a 10% off code. You can get a 15% off for diamond painting with sparklers if you check the link down below. And a lip balm, pomegranate. Nice. Nice. Pomegranate flavored. Vitamin E, beeswax, and other natural ingredients. That's nice. This is Butterfly Kisses. A little bit off of Butterfly Kisses Customs. I'll have to check those out for sure. I'm going to put these little gifty things on the side. Purell Wipe. Rose Profit Creations. 10% off of your next order with those. This says Dawn Mist Hand and Body Lotion. Lightly scented. Sweet. Very sweet. Sweet, sweet things. And a little thank you. And it's about a meet and greet and where to find out and where to contact her on more fun things. Okay. Sweet little thank you package. Very nice. Very nicely done. Let me put all these goodies back in here. Alrighty. Oh, And I forgot two very important things. It looks like I have a little pink nail file and a yellow lollipop and a Mentos. How could I forget those? Very nice. Very nicely done. Now, the main thing I wanted to show you from her, I need to back it out just a smidge so you can see what came in the packet. This is a stand, a pen stand. Now, if you haven't seen these before, it's a 3D printed. It's very smooth, especially for the circular part. That's a little hard to do smooth. It has indentations along here for 6 pens and holders on this side for 6 pens. I got it's a fluorescent yellow, and I think I'm going to black in the letters, but I got an abbreviated version of Wanda's Workbasket on there. Okay, so some of these pens I got in several different places, and if you want to know where, I don't remember. Some of them I got from, well, different wood turning places. These Christmas looking ones I got from the Advent box from Diamond Art Club. Let's see. I stick washi tape in here so that they stick in real well. So if you see some washi tape sticking out the bottom, that's that. Let's see. So you can put up to 6 pens in here, and maybe 6 of your favorite ones will fit. Isn't that pretty? I think this makes a beautiful display. As you can see, I have a ton more pens that I could put, so I either have to get a few more of these, or just trade out my favorite pens every once in a while. I have some of the coolest pens, and if you look back over my stash video, some of my pen stashes, you'll see some of the pens that I've fallen in love with over the years. And I do like the smaller ones too. I like the shorter pens. Aren't they beautiful? Some of them are so awesome. Alright, so I just wanted to share these goodies with you. And if you haven't tried out NYXYnotions yet, I suggest that you do so. I will put her links down in the description box below. There's also a code for 15% off Diamond Art Club if it's your first purchase. Several other codes down there for other goodies in the box below. Don't forget to check out our Tuesday night lives where you can join the Workbasket family for our Whip and Chats. Bring your favorite beverage along, 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Tuesday night. I hope to see you there, Divas. Bye.